Are your Windows OS core application failing because of the Extract Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before diving into the Extract library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Extract library, a native Windows system library responsible for the extraction of Microsoft Cabinet.CAB files. It is the engine behind the Extract..EXE command line utility used by installers to unpack system files and drivers. If missing, users will face error 1311, source file not found, during software installations or Windows updates, as the system cannot decompress the required package data. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error usually indicates that the Windows OS core directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Windows OS Core to replace specific required files, such as Extract Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Extract Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image// restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Extract Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Extract Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Extract Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.